guys, I was just barely gifted the security camera from the seller, so I thought I would do a quick unboxing. We can do a quick install and just see how this works.
So here's what that box looks like. It's going to be fairly small. You'll get instruction manuals in Spanish and English. Your security camera, which is really nice and is going to have a motion sensor so you can detect motion. It is compact, lightweight, and it's going to have a little sticker on the bottom so you can easily stick this to a piece of furniture and it's going to remain stable. You'll also get extra stickers, a charging cable, and you can easily stick your camera on that stand. The stand allows you to put the camera basically every single angle that you would need. You can then follow this link and add the Ocam Pro app to your phone. Flip the switch on and you are ready to go. You can place this on any surface, and again, if you'd like to, you can put the sticker on it so it remains incredibly stable. You will then go into your app, make a profile, and connect your device. I was super impressed with how clear this picture was. It has a high picture quality, smart motion detection, and it's going to give you real-time alerts. It's supported by a 5G and 2.4G network and has lots of different settings that will allow you to personalize what you see and when you see it. It will automatically save your videos to an iCloud storage for 3 days, and you can choose to either purchase additional iCloud storage to save more videos, or you can insert an SD memory card as well. My favorite thing is that this camera also has really nice night vision. You're able to clearly see if there's anybody in the home and identify what is going on. And when the camera does not detect any motion, it's going to go in an automatic sleep mode, which is just going to save you battery life. It clearly zooms in and zooms out. Honestly, I've been super impressed with this camera and I would recommend it.